Hi everybody, it's Team Entertainment here with my classmate Charles and we're going to be doing safety videos on tornadoes. And I know that we've been doing this 4 times and it's because probably you couldn't hear us, so yeah, now we're going to start. What is a tornado? Tornadoes are rotating cones that can move up, can go more than 300 but usually 70 miles per hour. What to wear during a tornado? There's more to wear like helmets, goggles, long sleeves, and long pants. Oh wait, no, and hard-soled shoes. It will last 10 minutes or several hours.
How does a tornado move? How does a tornado form? It's because of the kinetics that from warm and cold air. One tornado from thunderstorms. You need hot air from Mexico and cold air from Canada. That's why tornadoes always in the United States because it's between the two places.
How do you know the potential of a tornado? Severe thunderstorms with frequent thunder and lightning. The extremely dark sky sometimes highlighted by green and yellow clouds. Rumbling sound, whistling sound, and funnel cloud hold at the rear base.
What to do during a tornado? What to bring during a tornado? Go to the foundation of the house or in the basement, under the stairs. First thing you gotta do, you gotta have an emergency key radio because of sound getting hit for the news of them.
What if you're driving? How to survive? There are 2 things you can do when there's a tornado. First, if you spot a tornado, go distance and second, if a tornado is close, get out of your car and take cover in a lying area such as a ditch.
What is a tornado, Ali? What season does a tornado strikes? What pressure is it you? What? Tornado strike when during spring and summer because the wind is warm. Tornado alley is more popular in the United States, although the real defined location is the Appalachians and the Rocky Mountains. You need low pressure, so the tornado can last.
Oh. What does a tornado look like? A tornado is a rotating funnel that contacts a cumulonimbus cloud. And there are many types of tornado, like a water throat and dust devil. And that's all. Please subscribe and leave stuff in the comments. Bye.
My name is